What's up everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mo. Today I'm going to show you where the spare tire is located in the GMC Terrain. This is a 2018 model here, but it will be the same on several different years. So it's going to be located in the back. As you can see, our back hatch is already open. And then there's this rear deck lid here we're going to flip up. You need to grab this part and pull it towards you just a little bit, maybe an inch or two. And then that'll lift up all the way out of there like that. You can either pull it out or just leave it sitting there like that. Then there's this cover here that needs to come out, and there's a handle right here. That's just Velcroed in, it's real light. Pull that out, set that to the side. Now we can actually see our spare tire. And there's a retaining nut here that will just spin to the left to get it all the way off there. And then when you pull your spare tire out, the jack and everything else is going to be located under it. So that's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.